everyone. Today we came here to choose a car. I already sold my Benz. And who is your name?
My name is Pun.
Pun.
Yes.
And today we're going to do something. Okay. Now this is going to be perfect. Look at here. Wow. Ooh. Okay, this is my daddy and this is my mommy. This is my mommy. Say hi, mommy.
สวัสดีค่ะ
In English.
Hello
Hello. And this is my daddy. Say hello, daddy.
Hello, Daddy.
I mean hello.
This is new car.
Yeah, that's where we are going to buy. It looks like a limousine. And what's that? Food. Since when they have? What a nice consequence. Consonants. Yeah. Consonants. Now, you're gonna see here. This is spoon. And this is table. Wow, very cool. Yeah. Why did I say that? Wow, look around. Wow, look around. Look around. Wow. Okay, I want you to look. Cool, right? Yes. Ashley, that's all for now. Bye.